Alright, here's the tool right here. You can see this is the flaring tool. This is a bend tool right here. You make shapes. And then this is the cutting on the tube. You want to have a clean cut. And then here's the tube right here. A 1/4 inch, 25 feet long. I can get any shorter than that. So I'm going to have extra. Alright guys, I'm finally out. Look at the line. So this is the one from the front. I cut it right here. And one right there. Fuel filters sitting right here. Fuel filter. I cut it because of this bend right here. And this is where the leaks coming from. The original leaks. You can see it's dark. This is by the wheel right here. And the gas tanks right here. I'm guessing it's weak spot on this side because it get hit with rocks and stone and water on this area. There's no insulator here on the vehicle side. There's nothing. That's why this is where it failed. And then there's a 90-degree bend right there going to the conjunction to the rubber hose block, and it'll split the two going to the wheel. So it's about give and take because of the bend. Let's just say, just in case, get about 10 feet long, just in case, 10 feet long of brake line, and yeah, bend them. So that's what we're gonna do next. Alright guys, so about an hour later, here's the new line. I just quickly installed this because it's boring to videotape everything. So just gonna wavy line right there. It tucks right in. There's no metal to metal rubbing. Okay, right there, right here, no metal to metal. I still clip right on the original retainer right there. And if you go to the front, up right here, you see we get the connector screw right on there already. Here, you get the connector. It's nice and snug and tight all the way to the back. There's the follow the new line right there beside the tank. Tuck right in. Up and over right there. You're gonna clip that line to that plastic retainer right there. Goes around the tank. And up and over right there, there's a 90-degree angle going to that rubber hose on the fitting right there. You can see I got the fluids dripping already. I got this thing pumped so that we have fluid going to that new line. And then after that, we're just gonna bleed it out when everything is connected. So on this, what's left over is we're just gonna connect that line to that plastic retainer right there. We connect that piece. That's the last piece. And then we're gonna bleed this thing. I'm just worried about this nipple right here. Hopefully it's easy to come out. I sprayed some penetrating fluid already. You can see the dry fluid. Same thing on the other side. I'm just worried that it's not gonna broke off on me. Hopefully it would come out. If not, that's too bad. We're gonna have to do replace that thing down. Cross finger, hopefully it will come out easy.